So we start off today's video with some pool noodles. That's always a good way to start because y'all know I love a good pool noodle DIY project. So it looks like she takes the noodle and then tapes it. Creates like a layered effect with different sizes. Does two different sections and glues them together. Spray paints it gold, and wow. Okay, this is a really cool idea. Definitely beginner friendly as well. Very cool. It actually adds a nice amount of texture to the space as well. Definitely something different. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So if you need some new projects to do next time you are bored, definitely take a look at this video. So here we have someone making some wall sconces. Now this is like a very Z Gallery inspired wall sconce here. We've got the straws painted gold, some fairy lights, some gems. This is by Budget Friendly Creations. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is just, I would never in a million years think that this was like a project that she actually made. Like, that is just crazy. So here's another one from Budget Friendly Creations. You can follow her YouTube channel. She does a lot of like glam style decor, which is definitely my personal aesthetic and vibe. It looks like she might be making some type of lighting here. Oh wow, a chandelier! Oh my goodness! Wow, that was crazy good. Can you imagine making your own chandelier? Like, that is just so insane to me. So our next DIY is going to feature a vase. This is by Creative by DIY. Okay, so it looks like she is mixing some paint here. You can use baking soda. I'm not entirely sure if that's what she used here. We just see like the powder. But that does create a nice little texture for the paints. And she ends up getting this beautiful vase. I really like the texture here. That's probably the best part about this particular one. And she does like a sponging technique with the paper towel. A lot of texture with this piece. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Very cool. And here is another dollar store inspired project. Okay, so it looks like they're doing some wall sconces as well. And there's lots of hacks in order to actually, make these useful. You can do the fairy lights, the puck lights. Going in with the gold spray paint. That's like everyone's go-to. Okay, so she uses the puck lights here. You know what? I wonder if they do have these at the Dollar Tree. They probably do. Perfect little DIY where you don't have to worry about calling an electrician. Just make your own light source. Very cool idea. Alright, so we have a bunch of tubing here for the next one. Immediately when I see this, I think DIY table because that's typically what we see being done with these. But let's see if that is what she's going to be doing. So she's putting them together here. Not quite sure what that rectangle is that she used for this. See a bunch of paper, cardboard, bunch of tape. Oh, maybe okay, I think she is making a table, but she's making kind of like that pedestal kind of table. Oh, she goes in creating a nice textured marble effect. Wow. Wow, that came out amazing. Oh, that is so cool. Now with this, you would have to, well, you know what? You could make two of them, but one does look pretty cool. So then we have the bread boxes here. This is one of my favorite ones. I swear this was like one of the most popular DIYs for 2023. And they ended up doing the bread box nightstand. Very cool. I still love that trend. Like it's so fun. So here we have a bunch of placemats. Oh, are they making pillows? Whoa, they had to be making pillows. Wow. I don't like that color scheme though, and I think they needed more stuffing because it seemed kind of flat to me. Oh, here's the easy beginner friendly one. Nice little plant pot. Cute, matte black. You don't have to worry about spray paint and nothing. Just glue the two pieces together and bam. So here we have one that's a little bit more on the harder side. Oh, they're making a lamp out of this? Oh, wow. That is so freaking cool. Oh, wow. Very cool idea. And then we have a placemat here. Very pretty placemat. And they made a vase. Oh, I love the texture. It looks like snake skin. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these reactions to these DIY project ideas. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.